This video is about very unique car. It's about Lamborghini Murcielago Superveloce. This car exactly is right-hand drive one. Lamborghini, by the end of their production with Murcielago, they made a Superveloce model and they planned to make a limited production of 350 pieces in the world. In the end, they end up with the lower quantity of cars because they had to make a new model, which was Lamborghini Aventador. This car comes originally from India and it's very famous in that country, as well in Lamborghini Murcielago owners society. There were many rumors about this car, such it was terribly damaged, next it was held by police, then abandoned, next it's been exported to Dubai, Kuwait, then to Europe, to countries like Germany or France. But originally this car had an accident in India and we originally bought this car from Dubai when it was first exported. We are working on this car since 1.5 years, and we have done, because of the fact that we are working with Lamborghini Murcielago for many years, we have a lot of stock of original second-hand and new parts for those cars, so we decided to buy it. We have changed the rear chassis, suspensions, the body parts, and let's see the current status of the works next on.